might seem crazy what I'm about to say. Sunshine, she's here. You can.
Hello everybody! This is your mathy professor, Magnus Rex. Today, we will talk about division with remainder. Remainder? What is a remainder, you say? A remainder is the number left over after you divide a number that cannot be divided evenly. Still confused? Here's an easy way to understand it. Have you ever played the game The Boat is Sinking? The game master tells you to group yourselves into 3s, 4s, or 5. Whoever is left without a group is out of the game. I'll show you. Let's play! The boat is sinking. Group yourselves into 2. See what happened? Daddy was left out because he cannot group 3 into 2 evenly. Daddy is the remainder. Sorry, Daddy, you're out. Better luck next time. Now, let's try it with the bigger number. If a ship is sinking and it has 1,247 passengers inside and there are only 6 boats, how many passengers will each boat have? Do you think there will be people left behind? Let's try 1,247 divided by 6. This is our dividend, 1,247 divided by 6, our divisor. First, let us look at the thousands place digit, which is 1. How many 6's are there in 1? None. So, we proceed to 12. How many 6's are there in 12? Let us skip count by 6 without going over 12. 6, 12. Oh! 2 6's make 12. Therefore, I put 2 on top of the 2 of the hundreds. 2 times 6 is 12. So I put 12 under the 12 tens. 12 minus 12 is 0. So, I bring down 4. How many 6's are there in 4? None. So, I put 0. 0 times 6 is 0. So, I put 0 under 4. 4 minus 0, 4. Then I bring down 7. How many 6's are there in 47 without going over 47? Let us skip count again. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48. Whoops! I accidentally went over 47, 42. This means 7 groups of 6 is the nearest to 47. Therefore, I put 7 on top of the 7 ones and 42 under 47. 47 minus 42 is 5. Oh no! Now I have nothing to bring down. This means that 5 is our leftover, and the leftover is called the remainder. 5. Therefore, 1,247 divided by 6 is 207, remainder 5. Let's see if our answer is correct. First, multiply the quotient without the remainder, which is 207, by the divisor, which is 6. 7 times 6 is 42. Carry over the 4. 0 times 6 plus 4 is 4. 2 times 6 is 12. Then add the remainder to the product of the quotient without the remainder and the divisor. Our remainder is 5. 1,242 plus 5 is 1,247. Is this the dividend? Yes, it is. Which means that the answer to 1,247 divided by 6 is correct. Now, here are some helpful steps that you can follow to conquer division when dividing a number by a single-digit divisor, such as 1,247 divided by 6. First, find out how many digits the quotient will have. In the case of 1,247 divided by 6, 1,247 is between 6, the divisor, times 100, and 6, the divisor, times 1,000. This means that the quotient lies between 100 and 1,000. Therefore, the answer must have a 3-digit number. As we saw earlier, the quotient has the 3-digit number 207. Second, find out if you will have a remainder in the answer. To do so, you will need to know if the given dividend is divisible by the given divisor. Is 1,247 divisible by 6? Here's a simple tip. Numbers that are divisible by 2 and by 3 are divisible by 6. To know if a number is divisible by 2, you simply look at the ones digit of that number. If that digit is an even number, such as 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8, then the given number is divisible by 2. Is 1,247 divisible by 2? Because the ones digit 7 is an odd number, 1,247 is not divisible by 2. Which means that it is also not divisible by 6. To know if a number is divisible by 3, you simply get the sum of the digits of that number. If the sum is a multiple of 3, such as 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, and so on, then the given number is divisible by 3. Is 1,247 divisible by 3? When you add the digits of 1,247, you will get 14. Because 14 is not a multiple of 3, 1,247 is not divisible by 3, which means that is also not divisible by 6. Because 1,247 is not divisible by 2, 3, and 6, you should expect a remainder in the answer. As you saw earlier, the quotient had a remainder of 5. Finally, if the answer has a remainder, make sure that the remainder is smaller than the divisor. As we saw earlier, the remainder 5 is smaller than the divisor 6. So that's it for now. Till my next video, this has been your math professor, Magnus, saying, don't be afraid of math just because 7, 8, 9. Remember, math will not eat you. You can conquer it. Bye for now.
What happiness is to you.